And what is up, guys? Good morning. Got some cool stuff we're gonna do today. Just like my keys in my Mustang, but I got them undone. Anyway, got some cool stuff we're gonna do today. Got some new stuff. Of course, when I bought the car, it did not have the windshield wiper, the blinker. I mean, it was ripped out. Of course, it was laying in the seat, and there it is. But of course, a lot of people would look at that and be like, "Well, man, this thing is tore up and this and that." Of course, that ain't how it is. You know, it just takes a little know-how. To do this stuff. Of course, I got another one right there, boys. That's what it is. It's got that whole assembly with it. But we're gonna go ahead and put that in there today. Of course, I got another trim piece for this clip on this bottom part. Let's see if I can get it on there. If I can focus. There it is. Anyway, that piece broke off. It's supposed to go right in there, but so our interior trim is a little messed up there. Of course, we got the windshield wiper deal that we're gonna put on there, and then I got some other little cool stuff. Let's see what we got here. Get all that out of there, and got some cool little key fobs to unlock the car with. So kind of want to show you these two. These two are kind of cool. Let's see here. Of course, I got. Go ahead and get this one out. Got that one. I got three or four of them here, but I was really more concerned with these two, because you know what, they just look cool and I just couldn't help myself. So but yeah, you got these cool little key fobs, and we're gonna hook those up today, and that way we can unlock from a distance or lock from a distance, and then hopefully I won't worry about locking my dadgum keys in here. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna knock it out, and we're gonna make it look good. But anyway, hang in there and we'll get it done. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I got my door deal in there, my new one. Look pretty good, not bad there. I'm just glad I got my buttons up there. I can actually press my buttons down. Anyway, not bad. So got my key fobs here, and I'm gonna program them. And what you do is you turn the key 8 times until and then you lay it in the on position. And then once you do that 8 times, your doors are gonna lock and unlock, and then that'll let you know that your key fobs are ready to be trained. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll do it, cycle it on 8 times. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, they locked and unlocked. Little jams on the radio. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the lock button on this one. Okay, there's 1, 2, and 3. And now our keys are programmed. Our fobs are programmed. Okay. All right. So easy as that. And we'll go outside and test it. All right. So we got the key fobs programmed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how they work here. Of course, we got the lock button. I don't know if you can hear that. Just got the lock button there. I'll do it on this one. Makes a little different noise. Of course, you can hit that. It's locked. I hit the unlock. That works. I hit the alarm button. That works. I hit the trunk unlock button. Go over here and unlock the trunk. That's all it is, guys. It's easy. Cool little deal, and it's easy. Of course, there it is. Unlocks the trunk there. And that's all it is to it, boys. Arkansas, baby. Y'all can run my plate. It'll take y'all to Arkansas. So good luck with that, boys. But anyway, that's it, guys. Of course, I'll show you on this other one. This one works too. This one works good. Lock it. Of course, it's locked. Go ahead and unlock it. Of course, they all work. They all work, boys. That's that. We'll go ahead and install that windshield wiper, and that'll be it. All right, so I went ahead and installed the windshield wiper / turn signal switch, and it works up there. Works right there. Windshield wipers work. We'll go outside and check the turn signals. Well, they're working in the back. We'll check the front, and the front work. So yeah, that's about it, boys. Of course, we got the door panel in. Put that in. We did the key fobs, and then we did the door panel. Got the door panel looking good. Got the blinker switch looking good. Little $25, $30 switch from Amazon. Thing worked pretty good. I'm happy with it. But yeah, I think that'll wrap it up today, and that'll be it. So I appreciate you guys watching. We got some cool stuff coming up in the future. I'm gonna do some stuff with the Del Sol, so just stay tuned. That kind of caught me on my softball stuff today. But got the little jersey, you know. Got the pants on, got the Crocs on, got the good old Crocs, you know. But anyway, thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.
Missing someone.